In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Windows 10 product key. So for this, first of all, what you need to do is you're going to click on your search box located at the bottom left side of your screen. Then you're going to type in for Registry Editor. And once you see this Registry Editor, you're going to click on that. And once you are here, first of all, what you need to do is you're going to click on this arrow next to H key local machine. Then you're going to see here multiple options, and among these options, you're going to expand software. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you find the option Microsoft, and once you see it, you're going to click on its arrow to expand it. Then you're going to scroll down again to W section to find out Windows NT, and once you find Windows NT, you're going to click on arrow next to it to expand this option. Then you're going to expand current version. Then you need to find Software Protection Platform. So for this, you're going to scroll down to the S section, and once you see this option Software Protection Platform, you're going to click on that. And once you do that, you will be able to see here a bunch of options on the right side of this window. And among these options, you will be able to see here BackupProductKeyDefault. And in the same line, you will be able to see here your product key. So this is how you can find product key on Windows 10.